Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm going to show you this corn puff huge packet and from a brand known as Khalia, and this is in tomato flavor. As you can see, this is Khalia and it's beautiful tomato flavor, and it is also known as from a brand Nabil Khalia corn puff tomato flavor. So over here you can see corn and tomato. So that's all the nutritional information is mentioned over here. Let's not waste time and open this. So let's get into this. Wow. This is amazing. So let's open it. This is how it looks like. Corn puffs with tomato flavor. Very yummy, very soft, good for babies also. You can give your babies for munching, small babies, or during school time. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you.